Welcome to Edward Elmhurst Health. Thank you for entrusting us with your care. Our goal is to provide a safe, seamless, and personal experience during your stay with us. Let's take a look at how we'll do that. All our patient rooms are private and designed to make you as comfortable as possible. Your nurse will point out all your room features when you settle in, but please pay special attention to the call button. Use it anytime you need help, especially if you want to get out of bed. There's even a call button in the bathroom because safety is always a top priority. We kindly ask that you call, don't fall. Not feeling your best, medications, and unfamiliar hospital equipment puts you at a higher risk of falling. So please, don't take a chance. It's no bother, really. Our job is to take care of you, and we're happy to do it. Our commitment to cleanliness and infection control also keeps you safe. There are times when we need to take special precautions to stop the spread of germs. These precautions may include keeping you in your room or having caregivers and visitors wear gloves and a gown. You'll also notice an abundance of hand sanitizers throughout the hospital and in your room. That's because good old-fashioned hand washing is one of the best ways to stop the spread of germs and control infections. We wash and sanitize our hands a lot. We encourage you and your visitors to do the same. In fact, visitors should wash their hands each time they enter and leave the room. All equipment and surfaces are disinfected on a regular basis, and your room will be cleaned by a member of our environmental services team daily. Something else we do a lot of to keep you safe? We check your identification. Repeatedly checking your ID bracelet is our way of making sure everything matches up. And we use medication scanners to verify the right person gets the right medicine. If it's absolutely necessary to bring personal medications from home, they will be kept in the pharmacy and administered per the pharmacist's instructions. Any valuables or equipment you bring from home, like walkers or sleep apnea machines, should be sent back home with family. Equipment needed to care for you during your stay will be provided. When it comes to keeping you safe, we welcome all the extra help you give us. So if you or your family has any concerns, please share them with your care team. We love to hear from you, and we're always looking for ways to improve the patient experience. At Edward Elmhurst Health, we like to say your discharge begins at admission. Our goal is to provide seamless care for a smooth transition from the hospital to your next phase of recovery. We have an entire team of healthcare professionals working with you. The team includes primary care physicians, nurses, patient care techs, surgeons, physical therapists, case managers, and social workers. The fact that we're an integrated health system gives us and you a huge advantage. Your care team members are always communicating to coordinate your personalized care plan. There is also a communication board in your room that will include your plan for the day, so you're kept in the loop as well. After all, the most important person on your care team is you. You also have the opportunity to select a care partner who can play a key role in your care. The care partner is a designated family member or friend who supports you in the hospital and throughout your recovery. We like to get that person involved in your care as soon as possible, so you both have a clear understanding of what to expect once you leave the hospital. You also have 24-hour access to your medical record through an online system called MyChart. MyChart lets you view test results, request prescription renewals, communicate with your medical team, or schedule appointments before you leave the hospital. It's fast, convenient, secure, and free. To sign up for MyChart, just look for the MyChart section of the patient guide in your room or visit our website at eehealth.org and search MyChart. Every patient is unique, and we tailor our care to fit your individual needs. This includes a variety of complementary healing services, such as aromatherapy, animal-assisted therapy, and sleep kits, to name just a few. You can ask your nurse for more information. We also offer spiritual care. Our chaplains are non-denominational, and worship services are interfaith. Nutrition is another important part of the recovery process. Our room service feature lets you choose what and when to eat. Room service is available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just order off the menu next to your bed. Plus, we also accommodate special diets. The presence of your family and other support people plays a vital role in your recovery, but it's also important to maintain a healing environment for all our patients, guests, and employees. We understand having a loved one in the hospital can be stressful, and emotions can get the best of us. However, we ask patients and visitors to keep their voices low and treat others with respect and courtesy. We support patient-directed visiting hours. As to when people can visit, that's up to you. Let us know your visitation preferences, and we'll accommodate you the best we can within our guidelines. Guidelines include requiring children under 16 to be accompanied by an adult at all times. Also, our clinical team may ask you to limit the number of visitors in the room at one time if it's interfering with your care. We also recommend that anyone who has a fever, cold, or any contagious illness refrain from visiting. If you want an overnight guest, that's okay too. One adult visitor is allowed to stay overnight with you. Visitor guidelines help keep our patient care areas quiet so patients can sleep. Sleep helps you heal. That's why we minimize interruptions overnight and only disturb your rest when it's absolutely necessary. If you have trouble sleeping, just ask about our sleep kit. We hope you found this information helpful. Please take the time to review your patient guide. It has detailed information on all the things we discussed here and more. It also has important contact information and phone numbers, and even a guide for your in-room TV. Of course, staff is ready to help too. Any questions? Just ask. Any suggestions? We'd love to hear them. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Edward Elmhurst Health.